Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 routines that you can follow to become a better UX designer. So let's get into the video quickly. Number 1, the push to perform. So this is mostly about how you can push yourself to know things better. So if you have, maybe you would have studied somewhere as a UX UI, or you would have self-taught as a designer, to become a UX designer, or you would have done some online certifications, or you have learned from somewhere, your colleagues, or it depends. So how you can keep learning? So find the way to push yourself to perform and get updated with the UX UI design trends currently which are in the trend. So try to follow some resources that you can get updates. That's the first thing you can do. And what you can also do is you can connect with few of the fellow designers that you have with yourself, within your surroundings. Maybe it can be your office team, or it can be your project team, or it can be your friends who are trying to become a UX designer. So it depends. You can collaborate with them. Try to do a project together, or do something, come up with, it's not about the project, it's not about the design, coming up with some design solutions. It's nothing about that. But you just come up with some possible solutions that can happen in the future. Just discuss something about how it will happen in the future, and currently what it has been and how it can improve. Just talk about the current trends and improve your design knowledge. So maybe you can have it as a routine. Every alternate days, or 2 days once, or weekly once, you can connect with your friends to discuss about the updates. So what you have learned so far, and this is what I have learned so far. And maybe you can give some count. You have to come up with some 10 new trends that currently is in UX UI, and I'll also come up with that we can discuss about this in our call. So that will be very much helpful. Number 2 is when it comes to UX business, or when it comes to office, or when it comes to your freelance work, you have to be visible, you have to stay in touch. So this is where it matters. Start conducting any of the sessions within your circle. So you just have to offer it on your own. When you get free time, offer it for free. So ask some of the people to join, try to teach them what you know. And then it's not about mentoring, it's about sharing things what you know. So it's the best way of learning new things. So you'll be visible to people that you are a designer. And staying in touch is something that so it will help you to stay in touch with the current necessity of learning UX design. So how much people are interested to know about it. Even before when I starting this, I didn't know this much of people are interested in UX UI. So I have seen random videos on YouTube, people making some videos about UX design on YouTube, but I haven't seen showing this much of interest towards the UX UI design. So I just knew that these many people are there. So it's better to stay in touch with people, to communicate what you know and how you can learn. And the third one is you need to forget that you are a designer, not the user. So whenever you design for something, you think of yourself as a designer. You are doing the research, you are searching for the users, you are finding the users, you are taking the interview as a researcher, not the user. So you have to put yourself in a designer position, not the user position, so that your solution won't be in dilemmas or biased. I'll just wrap it up with 3 points. Number 1 is you have to create tools to push yourself towards the way where you can grow as a better designer. And number 2 is you should start spreading the word about UX, that how much you know about it. Number 3 is forget the user and yourself when you're designing. Yeah. Or else when you're empathizing, it's better to have yourself in their user's shoes. It's all fine. But when it comes to design, you have to think it in a designer perspective. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. I'll meet you on the next video. Bye-bye.